Yeah, sugar in my eyes. You make me wanna take that risk. Hold your hands, and we can kick it to the sunlight. Sugar in my eyes. You make me wanna take that risk. Hold your hands.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching. If you are new here, I'm Charlotte, and if you are not, then welcome back to my beauty room. And for today's video, I'm going to show you a DIY on a cute little decor piece that I made. Before I get into the video on how I made it, I am going to announce that I am doing a giveaway, and it is going to be on these pieces that I am making for you. So let me show you what they are before we get into the video. So they are these flower acrylic boxes. I was inspired by Fleurs. They have a box like this on their Instagram page. That's where I found them. And it is very similar to this, a little bit different, but theirs is around $300, and I was not going to pay $300 for it, so I thought to make something very similar and affordable for you guys. And it looks so pretty no matter where you put it. It's going to look so cute and glam. So I am going to be giving these away, of course not with the makeup in it, sorry guys, but this is what it is. So it's just the acrylic drawers. It's got the roses on top, and they are glued so they won't move, and it's got some little rhinestone crystals in there. And then the bottom drawer, you can put whatever you like. You can put your makeup brushes, jewelry, necklaces, lipsticks, anything you like, you can put in there. So I'm going to be giving away a pink one, and I am going to be giving away a white one so that two people have a chance to get it. So this is the white one, and this is how it looks with brushes. It looks so pretty. So these are the white ones. There we go. So those are the white ones, and they just look so pretty, and it was so affordable. So even if you don't win these, that's okay. You can go and make these yourself. It's very easy and very affordable for anybody. So with that being said, I'm going to let you know how you can win the giveaway. Just be subscribed to my channel, follow me on my Facebook, follow me on my Instagram, and when you are done, so that is 3 steps, when you are done, go down to the comments in this video and say that you have completed it, and just tag a friend, and then you are entered. If you are anywhere in the US, I will ship it to you. You have to be in the US, okay? I'm very sorry. As long as you're in the US, I will ship it to you. So please don't forget to subscribe and enter the giveaways, because I want to see one of you with this and on it on your girly space. And even if you don't win it, I still want to see you make it, and I want to know if you liked this idea. So yeah, so that is everything, and if you want to see how I made this, then just keep watching the video. Okay, so this acrylic box, I got it from Amazon. So you can get acrylic boxes from anywhere, from Marshall's, Ross, any home store, or you can get them on Amazon. So I just got them on Amazon, and they are just a regular double drawer acrylic holder, and I love that it has the rhinestone handle. And I will show you where I got these beads. So basically what we're going to do, so the flower, what you're going to do is you are going to glue the flowers to the bottom, and I'm going to be doing that with you. So you're going to glue the flowers to the bottom so they can stay. And these flowers I got from Dollar Tree, so it was $1 for 2, so I had to buy 3 to fit in here. So just depending on how big your acrylic organizer is, it's just going to depend how many you need. So you can get like different size acrylic organizer. You may need more, you may need less, but I only needed 6 of them, so I just got 3 sets, so it was $3. So I liked these flowers because they were already arranged like to fit, and they're real nice and small. And it beats like cutting up a flower if you were to buy it at Dollar Tree, because you can buy the bouquets and you can also cut the bottoms off. But I just like that these were already nice and shaped. So these are originally lights. So if you want to use them as a light, you can. I don't know if you can tell, but they light up. No, you can't tell. Anyways, these are supposed to light up. There it is in the back. So what I did is I just twisted. See. So I just twisted this part off, and I literally just ripped it off because it's that easy to take it off. And then that's how they came out to be like this. So I just popped them off, and then we're just going to glue them into the top drawer. So you're going to need some clear glue, anything that will stick and that's clear so it doesn't look messy at the bottom. So I'm going to use some E6000 glue. You can find this at any craft store, or I believe you can find it at Walmart, but I got mine at a craft store. Ooh, and you have to be careful because this glue can be very, very messy. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to glue the bottom, put a nice amount of glue because we want this to stay on there for as long as possible. So we're just going to get that, and then you're just going to glue it on the bottom.
And so you see on the bottom, it doesn't really look messy whatsoever, so it's good to use clear glue.
And I forgot to tell you what these are called in case you go to the Dollar Tree and look for them. They are called 60-hour flower LED lights. And then you can just find them in the floral section where they have like all the vases and all the fake flowers, all the flower bouquets. That's where I found mine. So that's where you can find them. They had this color, white. I have the white ones because I'm going to be making another one. So they have white ones. They just look like this. And then they have red ones, but I thought the red ones kind of looked a little bit tacky. So I thought the pink ones and the white ones were really pretty. So I just got those. And the good thing about this glue is that if you misplace them, it's not too late. You can still kind of move them around and they'll move around. But once you are done putting them in the right spot, let it set out to dry for a few hours. That way they can stay there and be secure. So now that they are glued, this is what it looks like. Oh, it's so cute. And so what we are now going to do is add in some rhinestones to the top. These rhinestones I got on Amazon for $6 to $8, I believe. I will put a picture of it here so you can see what the description is and how to find it. But I think these were meant to like put on nails, but I wanted to use them for this DIY. So there's like thousands and thousands of little crystals in here. So these are just so cute, and they look exactly like the picture in the high-end flower box. So you're just going to get some of the little crystals, and you're just going to try and put them in at the bottom of the flowers. You don't have to, but I just thought that this would look a little bit better. So I'm just going to put a few of them in here. Okay, so I just put some of the crystals at the bottom, and you can already see that they're starting to stick to the glue from the flower. Oh, sorry. They're already starting to stick to the glue from the flower, but that's good. So that way you don't see all the nasty glue. You just see the crystals around it. But I just put a few in there. You can put as much as you want, or you don't have to put any. It's totally up to you, but I just thought it looked really cute. So I went ahead and put those in there. And then we're going to put it back into the drawer. Well, let me take the bottom drawer out first. Oh. And you want to make sure that the flowers stay put, because they might be a little too tall that they'll rub at the top and then they'll move. So just make sure that they don't move. You can push them with tweezers just to make sure they don't move. So there you go. So now they are done. So after this, you just don't want to mess with them. Just leave them alone for a few hours. That way they'll stay glued and everything will stay in place. And yeah, so that's how that looks. And then, woo! And then I just put some crystals at the bottom of the drawer, on the second drawer. Oh my gosh, what did I get on here? So then I just put some crystals on the bottom drawer, and we are just going to put that in, and voila! You can put whatever makeup you want in it. I just put, you know, some cute pink Too Faced makeup in there. You can put whatever. You can put brushes, lipstick, perfumes would be cute, or even jewelry, which I think putting jewelry in there would be so cute. How cute did it come out? Oh! I love it so much. It's gonna look so cute on my vanity, and I just think this is the perfect dupe if you want to create something so cute. If you are on a budget, this is the perfect thing to make. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to enter my giveaway. Make sure you enter this giveaway, guys. I don't have a lot of followers right now, so you have a big chance, more of a chance to win. So go ahead and enter. If you're already following me, girl, it's so easy. Just make sure you're subscribed, follow me on my Facebook, my Instagram, and then just tell me that you're done and tag a friend. Guys, see you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.